welcome to this video of Jingle Bells. So I'm going to play the melody part here. In another video I did the easy peasy cello accompaniment part with the bass line, but here we're going to do the melody. So you need to be quite advanced in order to do this. So it might be playing for probably your second year perhaps. The backing track that I'm using is made by my wonderful father-in-law David Allison. So it's in 5 verses. So what we do in my school's concerts is we sing the first verse and then we play the melody mezzo forte, so moderately loud in the second verse. Then in the third verse we play pizzicato, and then in the fourth verse we play fortissimo, and then in the fifth verse we just sing and perhaps do a little bit of dancing. So I'm going to go over the part now. So it's actually an A major, which is a tricky key. So the first bits, so you got third finger C sharps. Watch out for those. So I'll go through it. So here comes Santa Claus. Now this is the tricky bit here. So you got, you could put a 3 here because it's an F sharp, but just stay in extended position and use, here's the fingering, 2, open, 4, watch that nasty G sharp, 2, extend back to the 1, 4, big stretch, 2, 1, open, 2, 1, open, 4, and up bow here, 2, 4, 2, 1, 4, 2, 4, where there's a nasty C sharp, 1, 2, 1. So it's quite tricky. Now one other little thing to think about is that the quavers are swung, so it's in swing time. So if I played it without swing time, it would sound like this. But we play it like this. So it's much jazzier. So the sheet music for this is available on my website www.stringmaestro.co.uk, so you can download it from there. So just keep in the back of your mind that we're swinging all of those quavers. Okay, it's time to play now. Here we go. Little 2-bar introduction. Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Vixen and Blitzen and all his reindeer pulling on the reins. Bells are ringing, children singing, all is merry and bright. So hang your stockings and say your prayers, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight. Okay, so that was the first verse. Now we're going to play the melody now. MF. You can play those 2 bars up the octave if you want to. Up here. Listen out for the little bass drum, third verse now. Pizzicato. That's up the octave if you want to do it like that. Verse now, so I'm going to play it as written now. Fortissimo. This is the easy version. Down the octave, which is what I've written in the sheet music here. Santa Claus comes tonight. Santa Claus comes tonight. Merry Christmas! Cheerio!